Join me as I challenge myself to master the split using this simple yoga routine. Can I finally do it? Achieving the splits is a goal for many of us, but it can seem daunting, especially if you're new to yoga or feel like you're not flexible enough. The truth is, with a consistent practice and the right approach, anyone can improve their flexibility and work towards making those splits a reality. This simple yoga routine is designed to help you do just that, by targeting the key muscle groups that need to be stretched and strengthened. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to achieve the splits is tight hips. Our hips are often the source of tension and stiffness, which can make it hard to move into deeper stretches. Another challenge is lack of flexibility, which can be frustrating, especially if you're seeing progress in other areas of your practice, but not in your flexibility. Sometimes, it's not just about the physical limitations, but also about mental blocks. We've all been there, feeling like we're just not going to be able to do it. And then there's the fear of injury, which can hold us back from pushing past our comfort zones. This simple yoga routine is here to help you overcome those challenges. It targets the hip flexors, hamstrings, and glutes, the key muscle groups that need to be stretched and strengthened in order to achieve the splits. We'll start with some gentle warm-ups to get the blood flowing, and then move into deeper stretches. One of the poses we'll be focusing on is the pigeon pose, which is amazing for opening up the hips and glutes. We'll also be doing some lunges and forward bends to stretch the hamstrings and hip flexors. As you move through this routine, there's one moment that often leads to a breakthrough insight. It's when you move into the deeper stretches and feel a release in your hips or glutes. It's like a light bulb moment, where you suddenly feel like you can move deeper into the stretch. That's when you know you're on the right track. This feeling of release is a sign that you're starting to let go of tension and open up your body. It's a powerful moment, and one that I encourage you to pay attention to as you practice. To get the most out of this routine, consistency is key. I encourage you to practice this routine regularly, even if it's just a few times a week. With consistent practice, you'll start to see progress and improvements in your flexibility. And don't be afraid to modify the poses or take breaks when you need to. It's all about listening to your body and honoring its limitations. If you've tried this routine or have any experiences with working towards the splits, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking to take your practice to the next level, be sure to check out my next video where we explore some advanced yoga poses.